Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to make an infinity scarf. It's so simple, you can make it easily, maybe 1 or 2 hours. And you will only need 2 balls of yarn for this. I used this yarn, Nako Sport Wool. It recommends 4.5mm crochet hook, but I used 8mm hook, L hook, and I think that's a thicker size for yarn, maybe size 5, I'm not sure. It is a thick yarn, and 1 ball of yarn is 100 gram and 120 meters. If you find same meters, almost same meter yarn, I think the thickness will be the same also. And as I said before, I use 2 balls of yarn. If you are ready, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Let's start. I will start with a slip knot, then make 25 chains. And complete your chains. Just turn your chains. You can see these back loops. Skip this first one, insert into the next, grab the yarn, make a single crochet. Into the next, make a single, and a single, just put 1 single crochet for all the stitches you have. That's the last one. Chain 1, turn. We will make single crochets again, but we will only use these back loops. Insert here, grab the yarn, make a single crochet. And keep making single crochets. That's so easy to make. We will just use this stitch, back loop only single crochets. And that's the last one. I have 24 single crochets again. Chain 1, turn, and make back loop only single crochets. And that's just it. Repeat this row again and again. I want to give you the measurements too. It's 9 inches long, 23 centimeters. I will use 2 balls of yarn for this. I will finish 2 balls. I plan to make it like that. My 1 ball of yarn is 120 meters. I will finish it, and when I turn back, I will give you the measurements again. I made this one, finish almost 2 balls of yarn. I leave a little for the joining, and it's almost 40 inches long, but I just put it like that and measure it, but it's so elastic, so it's bigger actually. Now I will put this two together and join this one. That's my beginning side, and that's where we finish. Insert my hook from this first loop, take this yarn, pull through, chain 1, insert here, take both loops and insert only back loop. Just grab the yarn, pull through, make a slip stitch, insert both loops, back loop, make a slip stitch, both loops, back loop, make a slip stitch. And just keep making like that. I will join all of them. A few days ago I read a comment. It's like she said, take your nasty cats in front of the camera. It's something like that. I feel really sorry for her, really sorry, because that's hate, you know. You can always say I take some comments, some nice comments, like they can be distraction for new beginners maybe. So I couldn't say anything to them that could be right, but saying some animals nasty, they are my friends, saying my friends nasty, it's something different. I feel sorry for her, actually. I can tell this. But I don't mind this kind of comments, so don't worry. I share this with you. I want to, because I want to share it. I like to share it. But I didn't feel bad, because that's just one comment. It couldn't hurt me, but I wish she could know this kind of love. I wish she could. I made the last one and make a chain, and I will hide this tail. But first I want to show you it's here. It's exactly same the other ones, as you see, so it won't look bad. And that's finished. I want to show you how to use it too. Just hold it like that. Hold it. Insert your arm. Turn it. Twist it one time. And insert one into other one. So it will be that's ready to use. I hope you like this tutorial. If you like, please don't forget to push the like button and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Selin's Crochet is my Instagram and Pinterest and website address. You can take a look, please. And that's it for today. Hope to see you again. Have a nice day.